Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyó, who is giving a bouquet of flowers to Nina. Let's start drawing. First, I'm going to draw Pocoyó. I start with his eyes, his nose, and his smiling mouth. Then I draw the shape of his head. He is wearing a hat. Now let's draw his body. In his arms, he is holding a nice bouquet of flowers. Oh, he is so cute! Excellent! I draw his legs. Now let's draw Nina. I start with her cute eyes that are closed. Drawing her nose and her smiling mouth. I draw her face and her hair. Then I draw the shape of her head. She is wearing a hat. Then I continue with her body. She is holding her arms like this. Oh, she is so happy to receive flowers from Pocoyó. Finally, I draw her legs. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I color Pocoyó first. I use cream for his skin. Then light red for his mouth. His outfit will be blue. Then I use the rainbow color for the flowers. Red, orange, yellow, light green, blue, purple, pink, and dark green. I color the paper around them with pink. I add a little yellow here. Now we color Nina. I use cream for her skin. Then I color her hair red. For her outfit, I use this green marker. Finally, I add a little light purple to the background. And I add a little dark green here. Very good. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.